So as you can see, it's LML right behind me and takes me back to my childhood. And I have somebody here from the LML team, marketing team, Bharat, and we'll be asking Bharat about the philosophy behind LML Star and coming back.
So everyone will have some story about LML, some memory. It's a nostalgic product at the end of the day, and not just with LML scooters, even LML bikes had a huge legacy to speak. So then now we got acquired. The LML got acquired by a brand called as SG Mobility Group, which is based out of Gurgaon under Dr. Yogesh Bhatia. And then we thought that we'll have to come back. And the reason why we chose EV is because LML had always been known for innovation, right? LML was the first brand to give you side indicators, a side stepney to manage weight, single seat for instead of two seats. So we always stood for innovation, and this also is a really innovative model. The model you see here is made from Italy, is designed from Italy, engineered in Italy, and one of the main features that we have, you can go in front, the interactive screen that we have. So it's highly customizable screen where I can write my emotions, because we believe that for an Indian family, the two-wheeler, if I am owning a two-wheeler, my two-wheeler knows me more than my family knows about me. That is the emotional bondage I have with my two-wheeler, and we thought we should give a heart to this machine, and LML is a machine with heart that we have today, right? And the next one is removable battery, which comes in the footboard, right? And again, because integrated batteries have an issue of parking and basement and all those things, and because this is a removable battery, your boot space is also really huge. I can keep 2 full-size helmets in this. And there are multiple first-in-category features like photosensitive headlamps, integrated DRLs, again interactive screen that I spoke. We have an ambient light as well. Yeah, this is an ambient light. So, this is a very feature-rich, innovative, and multiple first-in-segment category that we have. And yeah, sure, people are going. It's a really interesting product, and people will be interested as well.
So as you can see, the LML design is back with an Italian touch on it, and it's looking really cool. So mid-drive belt chain and 5 kilowatt peak power. So the performance is going to be good, and the design is looking great. Let us ask Bharat that when is it coming out in the market?
So we are expecting the product to be in market by festive season, that is second half of this year. Let's see where it is going to.
Thank you.